counselors, welcome back from your much-deserved spring break. As you get back into the flow of the school year, we are excited to inform you about our upcoming Spring Refresh Professional Learning Series for school counselors, designed specifically for you.
The Spring Refresh is a collection of curated workshops designed to address all the pertinent issues going on in school counseling across K-12 grade levels. All 11 sessions are going to be in person right here in our beautiful Linda Vista location. And we know how busy your schedules are, so we've designed our sessions to be done by lunch to maximize the impact in a short amount of time. Thanks to your invaluable feedback, we've put together workshops designed from topics such as creating spaces of calm through play for students, how to use AI in your school counseling practice, and planning for next academic year. Our hope is to enrich your school counseling toolkit across all 3 domains.
We continue to advocate for your valuable role and encourage you to take time for yourself and your practice to strengthen your skills and connect and learn with school counselors from neighboring districts and schools. So let's spring into action and embark on this journey of professional growth together. If you're viewing this video on Instagram, the link for the 2024 Spring Refresh calendar with registration links is in the bio. You can also register via this SDCOE website at www.sdcoe.net and search for school counselors.